out. It just started hailing like out of nowhere. It's so funny. This shit is scary, yo. Big ass pieces of ice, yo. That's crazy. It just started pouring and hailing out of nowhere. Look how big the pieces are. You see them hitting the ground? Oh my God.